Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Minatina Fatinur. I'm from Accounting Study Program. Here I will present the final project proposal with the title Revenue Accounting Statement in PT ABC year 2020. Number 1. Background. Information plays a very important role in the decision-making process. Correct information will be very helpful in making decisions, both by internal and external parties. An organization is founded by its owners with the intention of achieving certain goals, in providing information relating to financial position, as well as accountability for management of entrusted resources. The company must prepare financial report. According to PS Sakewan in Dwi Martani, it is explained that the resulting financial statement are statement of financial position, income statement, cash flow statement, change in equity, and notes on financial statement. Profit or loss statement is a report made by a company to determine the amount of profit the company has earned during one accounting period. The component of the report consists of income and expense, gross inflow of economic benefits arising from the normal activities of an enterprise during a period when this flow resulted in an increase in equity that is not attributable to the investor contribution. The revenue received by the company must be measured in accordance with the product or service exchange rate unit so that the financial statement can be used by users to make financial forecasts and make appropriate decisions. Number 2. Formulation of the problem. Number 1. How is the income accounting treatment, which includes recognition, measurement, and recording of income disclosure in the financial statement according to the policy of PT ABC. Number 2. How is the accounting treatment of income, which include recognition, measurement, recording, and disclosure of income in the financial statement? Is it in accordance with PSK number 23 concerning income? Number 3. Literature review. Number 1. Definition of limited liability company. Definition of income, income transaction identification, income recognition, income measurement, and income disclosure. The next, definition of income. According to PSAK number 23 in Imam Ghazali and Anis Kariri, states that income is the gross inflow of economic benefits arising from the normal activities of the company during a period when the flow resulted in an increase in equity that does not come from the contribution of investor. Income transaction identification. Number 1, sales. Number 2, service contract. Number 3, long-term contract. Number 4, other income. Income recognition. Imam Ghazali and Anis Hariri explained that recognition is the process of forming a post that meets the definition of element of financial assessment and recognition criteria. Income measurement. According to Harahap, says that measurement is the process of determining the amount of money to recognition and include of every element of the financial assessment in the balance sheet or income statement. Income must be measured by the fair value of the consideration received. The amount of revenue arising from a transaction is usually determined by the agreement between the company and the buyer. Income disclosure. Imam Ghazali and Anis Hariri said the financial report must provide sufficient information and explanation regarding the result of activities of a business unit. There are 3 concepts of disclosure according to Imam Ghazali and Anis Hariri. That is enough, complete, and natural. The next purpose of rating. Number 1. This is to determine the accounting treatment of income, which includes recognition, measurement, recording, and disclosure of income in the financial statement according to the policy of PT-APC. Number 2, to analyze the accounting treatment of income, which includes recognition, measurement, recording, and disclosure of income in the financial statement, whether it is in accordance with the provision of PSAK number 23. Research method. Data classification. Number 1, according to the nature, qualitative data and quantitative data. Qualitative data that will be used in the preparation this FINA project is general description of the company, organizational structure, and a brief history of PT-APC. Quantitative data that will be used in preparing data as the end of this PT-APC's income statement. According to the source, primary data and secondary data. Method of collecting data, interview, and literature study. Data analysis method. Number 1, describe the source of PT-APC income. Describe the income accounting treatment policy at PT-APC, which include recognition, measurement, and disclosure in financial statement. Number 2, identify the suitable of the income accounting treatment according to PT-APC policy according to PSAK number 23 concerning income. Reading method, the exposition method, and method description. Thank you.